This video, I'm going to go over a small little mini drone from the company Your Boy, maybe is how you would say that. And this drone is the X10 PRO GPS. So this is the GPS drone. You can see durable, brushless, 3 batteries. And looking over the back, it's got a 5 gigahertz transmission, Wi-Fi transmission, GPS positioning, 4K camera, altitude hold, and electronic anti-shake. How about that? You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open it up and let's see what's in the box here. Number one, you get a nice little package. I like that they give a little package with this thing with a little handle. You get a little thing right here for papers or whatever. And then open this up. We'll unzip it here. You get the drone itself. That's the drone. A user manual. And a user manual kind of goes over all the parts and pieces that you get with it. Kind of like some preparation, but you know what? If you're getting one of these, you probably know how to fly a drone. If not, I recommend reading this. I know how to fly a drone. Been flying a lot of drones. A bunch of propellers, and you're asking why you need extra propellers. Well, if you like me and you fly a drone enough, you'll figure out why you need them because you're going to run into something eventually. The batteries right there. And what is the size on the battery? It looks like a 2,500 milliamp battery. Very nice on that. The extra oh, I put a battery in it, by the way. I've already had this thing out and flew it around. And then down in here is your controller. The controller is going to open up like this for holding on. And your cell phone's going to go right here. This is flown by your cell phone using the app, just so you know. And you're going to have to download the app. So to get the app, you need to go here, and you got ISO, Android, and Google. Each one is their own app. Then you can connect the Wi-Fi to your drone right here. And to open this thing up, you're going to go one here, one there, and one there. Sounds like we got a helicopter outside right now. By the way, you need to be very careful where you fly these things. To turn it on, you're going to hold it down right there, and you can see how it turns on. You can see the little tiny antenna. I think this would be a great drone for anyone that's just kind of like learning drones or anything like that. Actually, let's go ahead, let's take this outside and let's get this thing fired up, and I'll show you how this thing works and like what you need to do to get it off the ground and fly it around. So let's do that now. Okay, here we are outside, everybody. Let me go ahead and set this up. So I went ahead and charged the battery here, charge the battery in the controller, and I'm just going to show y'all first. First, I'm going to show you how to fly it without the cell phone. So this mount right here is for your cell phone. After you download the app, you're going to need to do that. Let me just kind of like show you. I'm going to fly this without it. So there's a power button right here. Hit this power button. When you do, you see that light come on. So I'm going to put it down right here. And let me get back here behind the camera, get back here behind the drone, move that. So I'm going to turn the controller on. Controller's on. You're going to see it go through the lights there. It is connected. Now to start it, you see this lock button here? Watch this. It's started right now, everybody. Now to launch it, all you got to do is mash up on the sticks. It is launched. It's ready to fly. So I'm going to try to film this and then also show you using the sticks here. It had some obstacle avoidance there. So now I'm just going to fly it right here. This is all flying with just the controller, everybody. Now see, you can't film right now. That beeping is the obstacle avoidance. Now I'm just going to land it right here. That's simple. So now what I'm going to do is pull up the app, and I'll go ahead and put my phone on it. And let me show you guys how to do this. You guys see that? I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but this phone is actually pretty responsive. And then to record, you're going to hit this button right here to take a picture. Let me turn it around. This is not something I do a lot of. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on this little, Chumba Home drone. I will be using this amongst my travels for like kind of easy stuff. I think what this is going to be good for is anyone that just wants to get into their first drone. Say it's like someone just learning how to drone. They don't want to drop a lot of money down on the DJI, which I have. I have a DJI, but I wanted a little practice one to give to like someone that just needs a practice one. So if they do crash it, I'm not out all of that money on my drone. I recommend this. I think it's great for what it is, and it's a very affordable option for a lot of people out there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Chumba Home, you know, mini drone. See you on the next video.